Hey Hadley, what are we drawing today?
Milk and cereal.
Milk and cereal, our favorite.
Yum.
Also, every Wednesday this month we're doing what?
Challenge time.
Challenge time, so be sure to watch until the very end. And if you participate, then you can enter into a chance to be spotlighted in our next Monday lesson and get $20 to
$20.
Amazon for...
Amazon for our supplies. We also have a special announcement.
We've been working with this awesome app. What is it called?
Rivet.
Rivet. Yeah, we'll leave links below this video where you can go over and download it either from the iTunes Store or Google Play. And what kind of app is it?
A reading app.
A reading app. It's not just a reading app though. It's the coolest reading app we've ever used. We've ever seen. You especially love it, don't you?
Yes.
The reason why we've been working with them is that they've helped us create books of our drawing lessons. So you can actually practice reading and drawing at the same time.
It's so amazing.
So parents and teachers, be sure to click the links below this video where you can download the app today. Okay, Hadley, you ready to draw some cereal?
Yes.
All right, what do our art friends need?
A marker, some paper, and something to color with.
First, we're gonna draw our bowl of cereal, and we're gonna draw it right in the middle of our paper, but towards the right. So we're gonna draw it up here, but off to the side. So we're gonna draw the top of the bowl first, and it's just gonna be this little curve like that. See how it curves right at the end? Mm-hmm. Good job, and then up. And then we're gonna draw the cereal inside, and we're gonna draw a bunch of bumpy lines.
For the yumminess.
For the yumminess. Yeah, the super yumminess.
Woo.
Oh, there's a
Sorry.
big cornflake right there. Did you apologize? You said sorry. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the bowl. We're going to draw a big smile line that comes down like this and then back up on the other side.
A super happy bowl.
A super happy bowl. Now we're going to leave gaps on the side and we want to make sure that we don't keep going over the top.
That's a wobbly.
That's
bowl.
okay. Now we're going to draw the spoon sticking out of our cereal. So we're going to draw one line that comes out like this, and we're going to draw another line right next to it. And look, at the top, it flares and gets further apart from each other. Yes, and then connect it up at the top. That's the spoon sticking into the cereal. Now we're going to draw the rest of the bowl. So we're going to start over here on the left and draw a curve that comes over the top like that and connects to the spoon. Then we're going to imagine it going behind the spoon and continuing to connect over to the right side. We did it. We drew our bowl of cereal with a spoon. What should we draw next, Hadley?
The milk.
The milk. Okay, we're going to draw a line that comes, we're going to use overlapping. So we're going to draw a line that comes up like this from the bowl. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. Yep. And then we're going to draw a straight line coming down further. Then we're going to draw another diagonal line. Now this diagonal line is going to match the top diagonal line.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, good job. You did it. Then we're going to draw the bottom or the left side of our milk. We're going to draw another diagonal line that comes out to the side like that. This is a giant milk carton.
Yes.
I'm just realizing. We're going to draw another line coming straight up. And this one is taller, about the same height as this one over here. Yeah. Then we're going to draw a line to connect it. We're going to draw a line, the left over to the middle. Yeah. Then we're going to draw a triangle on top of it. This is actually kind of looks like steps to drawing a house.
Oh, yeah.
Then we're going to draw, now over here, we're going to draw another diagonal line that matches this one, matches the triangle. Yeah. Now let's draw the top of our milk carton. We're going to draw two lines going up and then connect it at the top. If we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video. Let's keep drawing milk. Now we're going to add a few more lines to our milk carton. Let's draw another diagonal line inside to make it look more 3D. Then we're going to draw a line right here going across that matches the top. Now, what is our cereal and milk carton missing?
A funny face.
Yeah. We're missing a funny face. Which funny face should we draw first?
The cereal.
The cereal. Okay, I'm going to draw two circles. I'm going to draw one way over here on the left and another one way over here on the right. And then we can add the smaller circle for the highlight inside. And then let's color in the big circles, but leave the little ones white. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a happy face down here at the bottom. And then we could draw a little cheek line on the right side.
I'm going to do a different face.
Okay, you can. Oh, you're going to draw it super happy. Whoa, I like it. Now I'm going to draw a tongue sticking out like this, like he's licking his lips. He's
Gonna eat his own cereal.
Eat his own cereal, yeah, I guess so. And we could draw a little curve. Oh, you're going to color in the mouth. You can do that. I'm going to draw little curves below the eyes. Now let's draw a funny face on our milk. I'm going to draw on the side over here. So I'm going to draw ovals. 2 ovals. And then we could do the same thing. Draw little circles on the top for the highlight and then color in the bigger circle. Now I'm going to draw a curve on the top of the eye. This is going to make the milk look like he's looking over at the cereal. And then we can draw a little happy face too. I'm going to draw another cheek line.
Wait, I'm going to draw him licking.
Oh, I like it. You added the tongue on the milk. And we did, Adley, we finished our cereal and milk carton. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Color it. Yeah, it's going to look so much better colored in. We're going to fast forward this part, but don't worry, at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
All right, Hallie, you did awesome on coloring your bowl of cereal and your milk, and I especially love the little spots you added. It kind of looks like a cow.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The sharp cornflake.
The sharp cornflake right there?
Yep.
Okay, that's my favorite part too. Now you guys can pause the video right now to match the same coloring, or you can use your imagination and your creativity to color your drawing any way you want. Now what time is it?
Challenge time.
Challenge time. And what are we going to challenge our art friends to do to finish their drawing?
Add a cereal box in the corner.
Ooh, add your favorite cereal. My favorite cereal is Captain Crunch. You want some?
Yes. Put it in my hand.
There you go. So the challenge today is to finish your drawing by adding your favorite cereal box in the background. Mine is Captain Crunch. What's your favorite?
Lucky Charms.
Lucky Charms. Then parents, take a photo of your child's finished drawing and post it on Instagram and use 2 tags. At Art for Kids Hub, that notifies us and lets us know that you posted something, and hashtag
FKH Challenge.
that keeps all of the art together so that it's easy for us to find. Then on Monday, we're gonna pick some lucky art friends to spotlight in the lesson. And what are we gonna send those lucky art friends?
$20 for Amazon to buy more art supplies.
So cool. I can't wait to do the spotlight.
Yes.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.